channel Mad AJ. So today I one more time brought you an amazing trick. So as you can see in this trick I have two queens right here which I am gonna use. I am gonna just square up and place them right here, and after this you may choose a card whichever you may like, this card, right? So if the spectator choose this card, which I will show it to the spectator, I am not gonna take a look at it and I will lose it in the middle. See, the card is completely lost in the middle. There are no string anything attached to it. So if you want, I will one more time even give it just a shuffle just like this. And now as you can see, if I snap my finger just like this, just one card appears between these queens. See, you can see one card. The one card that's appear between the queen is actually your card, which is the 8 of hearts. So I am just gonna take this card and leave it right here just like this. So after this I am gonna take this card and place it somewhere again in the middle, losing it completely. See, this way. And I am gonna again place the queen which I have right here, and if I just blow some cards, the card actually jumps inside the queen just like that. Now if I just shake it, as you can see, one card is between it, and that's your card, the 8 of hearts. See, again keep the queen to yourself, just hold it in your hand. I am again what I'm gonna lose your card something around in the middle. Yeah, that's far enough. So I am gonna lose your card around something in the middle just like this. Yeah, I will just stick it out so you can see it. So your card is lost something around in the middle of the deck, right? So what I'm gonna do, just hold down to this deck yourself just like this. Place it right here. If you want, just push that card in just like this. Yeah, just push that card in. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, it's okay. So these are the queens. So they were in your, so they are with you the whole times. Nah? So this queen were with you the whole times, and I haven't touched them. So these are the two queens, the first and the second. But if I again give just them a shape, one card appears between them, and again that's your card, the 8 of hearts. So let's jump to the tutorial how to perform this trick. So first of all, to perform this trick, you're gonna need a deck of cards. And first thing what you're gonna do, you are arrange the queen, one card already in the middle of the queen, or you can also do while showing the card. Just show the card. See, I have two queens here. Take a pinky break below one card just like this. Show the two cards, and then after this spread the two cards, which brings the bottom card to the second position just like this. Let me show you again. So you take a pinky break, hold the three also card like this. So now these are three cards. Strip the first card just like this and put it in this top. So this does is bring it this in the middle. So after this, just square this card up and place it right here. Then ask the spectator to choose any card whichever they may like. They may also sign the card. So suppose the spectator choose this card, not this card right here. So you can do any control to control it to the top. You can also do, see, just put it in the middle and take a pinky break right here and do a double undercut. See, this is the card. Just double undercut the card just like this. Cut half of the card, then cut half of the card just like this. So that's how you do. Just do any control you may like. Just do a double undercut. Now you add control their card to the top. After this, take a break under this card. Take the queen. Hold all the four cards just like this, square up, and then show the first queen just like this, exposing this card and showing them that it's their card, but you are actually showing the bottom card. Now take the card, out jog it. They are assuming that it's their card, but it's not. Then put the queen on top of that. Tell them that it's your card. Take this card, place it in the middle, saying that your card is now lost. Again perform a triple lift or you may also perform a double lift, showing that exposing the two queen. Again square them or place it here, do a magical gesture just like this, show that one more time the card has appeared. Now it's your card. Now this time hand over both the queen to them, and then take their card, place it in the middle just like this. Now what you wanna do, you wanna steal this card. You can do any method to actually steal the card. You can also first take this card, put it in the middle. First method I will show you. Now their card is here, which you had taken a pinky break. Double undercut the cards, then palm the card just like this. So I had actually made a video on palming a card, how to palm the top card, how to palm the bottom card. If you want to know, just I will leave the link in the description, or you can, if you know the diagonal palm shift, if because diagonal palm shift is actually the best. See, I had already palmed the card. You can also perform the diagonal palm shift. I had made a tutorial on palming the card. You can go check out that tutorial. So after this, you had palmed the card, and also let me show you the basic of palming the top card. With your this, you can see, just push the card and it will directly come to your hand. That's all you are gonna doing. So you can also use another control like classic pass. I had also made a video in classic pass. You can go and check that out. So after this, you palm the card just like this, and now they have the queen. Just take keep this hand casually on the board without exposing the card, and after this just take their card just like this. So you show that this hand is actually empty. Now place this card right here in the act of squaring the card up, come up like this, showing the bottom. Strip out one card, just one card, and place it at the top. That's all you are gonna doing. Then again you can do a double push and show that two queen just like this, or you can, if you perform a bottom steal, then the card is in this position, then there is no problem. You can directly take the card and then place it right here, and then again in act of squaring you can mix up the card, and then you can show the two queen just like this, and now the card is in the middle, but the card is palmed in this hand. Then what you are gonna do, you're gonna show the card, act you're carrying up, come up like this, show the background, take the bottom card, move it to the top, then perform your move just like this. So that's, and one thing in mind, while they are performing, they push their card. That mean I had performed in the trick a different control. You can also do that. So in trick what I did was, I take the card and just out joke it, show them the card, and perform a move which is known as Convincer by Alexandria, and then I steal the bottom card. She just like this. It's already in a gambler cop, as you can see. The bottom card is already in the gambler cop, and I just steal the card just like this, and this is the different card. So how to perform, if you wanna, you can go in Alexandria channel and see the convincer move, but I will just show you how to do this. So this is the card, right? So what you are gonna actually doing, you are gonna push this card back with your these thumbs while aligning all this card with your pinky finger. See, this card shouldn't be a mess like this. See, while you are pulling the cards out, they should be in like straight position, and you are gonna out jog the card, and with your these fingers you are gonna push this card down. Just with your this finger you are gonna just push this card down just like this. So, and while you are doing that, you are gonna take a pinky break behind this first card, and you are gonna just kick this card out just like this. See, just gonna kick this card out. So when you take a pinky break, it makes it so when you come at the eye level like this, so this is the eye level. So when you come at the eye level, you are gonna act like you are taking this card, but you are actually pushing it down just like this, supporting with your pinky finger, and actually stripping this card out. So if you did it fast, it would look something like this. So you show them the card, the six of clubs, strip their card out just like this, and after this you are gonna curl this 6 of spade, which is their card. See, just like this in your hand. See, just curl the 6 of spade and push it right at the bottom. See, just like this, and now the 6 of spade is at the bottom. Now steal the 6 of spade. I had already taught the gambler copy in my palming tutorial, that's why I'm telling you, go check out that. So you are gonna just push this card just like this with your thumb, leaving the bottom card just like this exposed, and directly ask the spectator to hold this deck of cards. So when they hold this deck of cards, because you are holding in this hand the deck, so there is no suspicion that you are actually stealing the card, because your this hand is empty and this card you are holding. So directly give them with your hand this deck, so they take this way, but this card is not exposed because this is the view they are looking at, and the card is already in the gambler cup, and directly go down just like this, and then bring the queen out and do the move. So that's the outjock one move that I performed last. Or you can, I will show you the easiest move. So just do this. Suppose this is the card which you put in the middle, so this is the card that you put it in the middle. Do whatever move you may like, perform a switch just like this, and make their card in the second position. So suppose 10 of heart is their card, so you perform a double lift with 10 of heart at the second position. You place their card in the middle, showing that it's 10 of hearts. Then again, see this, can you see this position? Pink index finger here, pinky here. Push 2 cards, only 2 cards, just like this, aligning with these 2 finger. While you are showing, push this card back. See, while I am showing them the cards, I actually push this card back just like this. See, showing them their card which is actually the 10 of hearts. And while I again go down, I again push this card front which is 3 of clubs. So I am actually putting the 3 of clubs in middle just like this, out jogging it, and putting this all stack in the middle. So what this does, it actually brings their card to the top. So you can also do this move and then perform the rest of the move. So that's the trick. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.